Hello Diecast lover. Welcome to another episode from Diecast Studio. In this episode, we'll have a look at Toyota 2000 GT casting from Tomica. This casting comes in 1/59 scale and pearl white color under Tomica Premium Line Series. A brief info about the Toyota 2000 GT. It is the first Japanese supercar designed by Toyota in collaboration with Yamaha back in 1967. The Toyota 2000 GT set the foundations for successful models like the Celica, Supra, MR2 and AE86. Today, the 2000 GT is seen as the first seriously collectible Japanese car. Examples of the 2000 GT have sold at auction for as much as $1,200,000 in 2013. Without further ado, let's unboxing and showcase this historic car. Alright. Let's begin from the side first. The wheels as we see here are very accurate to the real one in classic 2000 GT. When it come from Japan, details are their top priority. And that's why I love Tomica casting. As for the tires, it comes from plastic. Tomica prefer plastic tires for new casting in premium line as it provides better proportioned wheels fit compared to rubber tires. And I think I'm agree with them. Let's see the opening door. As you can see, the door expand till front area. Maybe some will say it weird. And maybe some will likes it. But it is accurate to the real car, which I thought was very cool. Let's move on to the front side. The front side of the Toyota 2000 GT is very unique in design. Here, we got a nice signal light on both sides. In the middle, we can see that it come with black grille finish and a driving light. One of the coolest thing for this car is the iconic pop-up headlight located above. We can see the hidden headlight located in here. It'll be so cool if Tomica put real pop-up headlight in this casting too, as they put in Ferrari Testarossa Premium Series. The rear hatch is accessible here. It opens up to a fully carpeted and spacious storage area. Let's move on to the other side. Basically it's just the same as before. This model from Tomica come in standard rear and front suspension, which make it more special compared to others diecast model. And right here we got some simple logo attached. This car come in right hand side drive, as you can see in the interior. Let's move on to the rear side. The back of the Toyota 2000 GT is one of my favorite elements of the car. Here, we got a nice Toyota 2000 GT plate in the middle, alongside with a cool double exhaust tip. The build of the tail light and signal are also good in quality. And right here we got a Toyota 200 GT brands tag. Let's move on to the bottom view. The base comes in black plastic with casting detail. This model comes in with only one rivet placed up front. It states the scale and the first year released for the model. And there you go. The Toyota 2000 GT Premium Line Series from Tomica. I'm really glad that I still kept this model in my collection. What you thought about this casting? Comment below. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider to like and subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you. Have a good day, Diecast lover.